Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to be discussing Bona Domo, and we're going to be applying it to our red oak panel. So Domo is a single component water-based finish from Bona, about 275 VOCs, 28% solids. Application methods are traditional. You can roll it, you can pull it with a T-bar, you can pad it. What I have here is semi-gloss, but this also comes in a satin matte. And those are the two sheens that are available, semi-gloss and satin matte. This is available in single gallons like this. There's 3 to a case, and also available in 5s. So like with all water-based finishes, dry time is going to really depend on your environmental conditions, such as temperature and relative humidity. We'll be able to recoat this probably 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Flowed, leveled really nicely, non-yellowing, so looking at 275 on the VOCs and hardly any odor at all. So easy product to use. Roll it out, you can pad it, and also T-bar it. So if you need any more information on the Domo, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786, or you can go on to cityfloorsupply.com, click on Bona, drop down to Domo. You'll get all the spec data sheets and everything you need to buy it.